Hey, hope everybody's doing good. I'm out here today. Just want to talk about my F900 GS. I had foot surgery a couple weeks ago, and I'm not been able to ride, so I thought I'd come out and talk about some of the things that I've done to my motorcycle with the stock seat on it. In case you haven't seen it, this is the BMW Comfort Seat. It sits pretty high with this seat on there. I am 6'1" or 73 inches tall. I have a 33-inch inseam, and with that seat on it, I am almost on my tippy toes. I can almost get my heels down, but just not quite all the way. So I did some research and I found a Sargent seat that sits about a ½ inch lower than the stock seat does, and I really like it. Throw that on here and show it to you in just a second. This is the seat from Sargent that I went with. It's got a little mud on it because I've actually ridden it. I've got about 2,000 miles put on this seat. Really well constructed. One of the things I like about it is it has a USB rechargeable light that clips into the bottom of the seat. So pretty cool little feature there. So let me pop this stock seat off. There you go. It's the Sargent seat installed. Hop on the bike. It lets you get a little bit further up on the tank than the stock seat does. It also has a much wider saddle. You can move around a good bit. You have a little bit more support, especially on the longer highway rides. So there you have it. Sargent seat. So it gives it a much better looking profile, I think. And it is more comfortable than the stock seat. Like I said, I've got about 4,000 miles on the bike, 2,000 on each seat.